Questo è il bar Guaranà, è il bar Guaranà.
Heavy rainfall has triggered widespread flooding and chaos across Italy, from Porretta Terme in Tuscany to Cropani Marina in Calabria and Syracuse in Sicily. In the Appennino Bolognese, the Reno River overflowed, flooding streets and homes. Videos from Porretta Terme and Castel di Cassio show torrents of water sweeping through towns as emergency teams monitor rising levels. In Pistoia, the Pescia and Brana rivers have burst their banks, forcing the evacuation of a local school in Badia. Flooding was also reported in Monsomano Terme and Ponte Bugenese, where streets and shops were submerged. The mayor of Pistoia urged residents to stay indoors as rainfall exceeded 100 millimeters.
Fiume Reno.
Further south, Calabria's Ionian coast faces a severe emergency. The Umbro stream overflowed between Cropani, Celia Marina, and Botrucello, flooding the SS 106 highway. Traffic has been halted as mud and debris covered the road. The Sant'Elia weather station in Cropani Marina recorded over 143 millimeters of rain, with conditions worsening overnight. Police and rescue units are evacuating affected residents.
Questo è il frigo dei gelati.
In Sicily, the city of Floridia in Syracuse province was hit by flash floods after intense night rains. Streets turned into rivers, disrupting transport and flooding homes. Authorities across affected regions have declared alerts and are urging people to avoid travel. With storms continuing and rivers swollen, Italy once again faces the growing threat of extreme weather.